Come once again. Here I am with the remaining part. So I will discuss the remaining slides in today's video. So last time I was discussing about the stud bolt or stud. So the stud bolt or stud has the threads at both end, this side and then the plain part. So you can see the one part having the thread more than the another, this one, so this one and this one. So generally shorter end is having less length of thread, so it is called metal part. It will inserted in a metal. And this one part and part is called nut part, nut side thread. So like this one metal, and you are going to join another part with this stud. So what will you do in metal part M? In metal part you will drill an hole. Okay, so in that, this length thread length, you will drill a hole, and then you will by tapping up you will make internal thread in that hole here. Okay, and then again, if this top part having the less thickness, so that this length can cross the thickness, so in that case you will drill complete through hole and that metal part, and at the top you will screw the nut. So generally the this length will be inside this somewhere, and generally this length should be less than the metal thickness, so that you can thread can remain inside and you can use the nut to lock on the from the top. Okay. Hmm. I will discuss you one more time like this. I am telling you that suppose there is a part, metal part 1, and there is another metal part, this one part 2, this much thickness. So you are interested to join it. So what will you do? First you will drill hole in metal part. Why it is called metal part? Because this part, this side you will insert the metal. So you will drill a hole, and by tapping operation you will create internal thread in that hole. Next, what will you do? You will put this side in this, you will screw it. So what will happen? The position I am showing you the position. So it would be like this way. So threaded is up to this length, and then you will put the part 2, metal part 1, then you will put the part 2, and part 2 will already have some, you need to, you know where you have to put it. So in the same part 2 you will have the through hole, and through hole should be like this. If you are interested to join at this place, so you will drill a through hole. That through hole should be somewhat greater than this shank diameter. So if d is the shank diameter, so through hole diameter should be 1.1 d. Okay, so 1.1 d, that is the diameter in part 2, this one diameter. You will drill hole. Okay, and you don't need to create any internal thread. Then what will you do? this part, this will come in this easily because diameter D is less than the whole diameter 1.1 D, so it will come under this thickness, and some part of the thread would be here, and then with the help of nut you will lock it. This is the way you will do it. Generally it is used in cylinder lining with cylinder. Next, set screws. So you see set screws, you know the difference between set screw and bolt. That is, set screw is having the thread throughout its length, and you see different kind of set screw. So this one, the thread is at on all the shank, and head is given the hexagonal or square, or for set screw, or straight cut head or cross cut head, so that you, for this you can use the you can use easily the wrench or spanner. But for straight cut, if the head is like this, wait a minute, if head is in circular form, then what will you do? Like this, in see this is an example of straight cut. So this way we need to use a screwdriver. See this, now you can see clearly straight cut here, that is a straight cut has been made in the circular head. Again you can see, visualize it here. Okay, so with this I am finishing it here. Hope you have got the basic idea. Thank you.